Add strawberries in beating jar and beat well. Put into a pan and add dry milk, corn flour and mix it. And keep on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. When mixture gets thick, put off the flame and add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and mix. Strawberry puree is ready. Let it cool. Add whipped cream in a beating bowl and beat for 5 minutes. Now add condensed milk and beat for more 5 minutes. You will notice that your cream has a foamy texture after beating them for 5 minutes. Add strawberry puree and beat for more 5 minutes. You will see the mixture have thicker and creamy. Pour into container and cover it with cling sheet or airtight lid. Then freeze for 7 to 8 hours. When comes out of the freezer, it looks like market ice cream. It scoops like market ice cream. It's creamy like ice baller ice cream. No crunch or crystal at all. It have holes. Its shape when it's softened. Its flavor is really mind blowing. Yummy ice cream is ready.